Hello everyone, welcome to Lozy Crochet channel, where I could support you in doing crochet and also share my free crochet projects with you. Well, if my sharing is useful to you in some ways, then please kindly give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That would be the biggest support from you to me. Thank you. So in order to embroider the eyes like this, we will allocate the 3 points of the eyes, which is this one, and this one, and I have already allocated them here in these 3 points. So later I will start to embroider or insert my needles into these points. Okay. For my doll, I'm not sure if I can show you like exactly where should you put the block pin, but I will show you the method or the way on how to do it so that you can apply on every other doll. So I prepare here needles and yarns. The yarn should be long a little bit so that we can do other step later. Alright, so at first I will insert my needles into from the bottom of the head like this, and I will pull my needle out here. I will pull it here. See? Pull it, and always leave a surplus yarn in this area like this, so later we can block and hide it. And then I will insert my needle into this area here, and my needle will be pulled out from this point. Can you see it? And this yarn, it always stay under the needle or stay below the needle, and then we will start to pull the needle. You see the curve here? That's what we want for the sleeping eyes. And then we need to block. So I will insert my hook into the same area of this one. Okay. And I will pull the needle here into the next eyes. Here. So we block this point like this. Can you see it? So we have the first sleeping eyes. We will do the same process into the other eyes, which is insert the needle here and then pull it up into this area. Here. Remember to put this line under or below the needle. and pull it. That's how we complete the second eyes. Make sure to block it. You know what? When we do this, the eyes will have a block point here, and I never like this part, so I will not stop here but pull my needle up into this area. So what I'm gonna do next, if you feel that, if you get that this eyes is nice already and you do not want to do any further step, it's fine. It's totally fine to just leave your doll here like this. Okay, but for me, I gonna work a little bit more, which is I gonna embroidery this green lines by this action. I do not know how to call it, but I'm sure that you will know, or you can get my method once you just follow and have a look. Here, it's kind of easy. You just cover it, so it will have to make the eyes turning to be thicker. Here. So that's in this way, the block point in middle of the eyes will disappear. See, we no longer see the block point here anymore. Right, that's how I complete the first eyes. And then I'm going to redo the same process into the other eyes by inserting my needle here and pull it up here, pull it out here. Then I redo the process. See, this eye is complete already. Smoothly. Alright, move to this one. You bring the yarn off like this, hold it by this finger, and it's just like sewing and sewing.
If you, once you feel that you cover the lines enough, then you can stop the eyes.
You can finish this. Here I'm going to insert my needle into the last part of these eyes, and I pull it in exactly same area with this surplus yarn here. So here we go. That's how I complete the eyes embroidery, as you can see here. Now is how I going to hide the yarn here. It's kind of simple. I'm gonna make knot. 1 and 2 and then insert the needle. You see it's still in this hole. We would insert the needle here and pull it off into any random place of the head. Pull. Repeat the same to the other line. Right. And pull it. Now you do not see the yarn anymore. This one is just a hole, but you can always hide it like this. Okay. What next is cut the yarn. Got it?